Tired of stiff, squared-off video corners? Let's give your footage a smooth, modern makeover by rounding those edges in Premiere Pro. First, select the video clip or graphic on your timeline that you want to round the edges of. Now, head over to your Effects panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and select Effects. We're going to use a powerful, yet simple tool. Navigate to the Distort folder and find the Bezier Warp effect. Drag and drop the Bezier Warp effect directly onto your selected clip in the timeline. With your clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see the Bezier Warp properties. Look for the corner section. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a corner radius setting. This controls how rounded your corners become. Simply drag this slider to the right to gradually round your corners. You can fine-tune the amount of roundness to achieve the exact look you desire. For even more customization, you can click Create Freeform. This will add 4 adjustable corner points directly onto your clip in the program monitor. Click and drag each of these individual corner points to precisely control the curve of each corner independently. This allows for highly personalized rounded edge effects. And just like that, you've transformed your sharp edges into smooth, appealing curves, giving your video a professional and contemporary feel.